Here in this video, I am going to demo how to create an object in JavaScript. What is an object? Object is a data that is having many attributes and values. Something like I want to create an employee. Okay, so I am creating variable like emp equal to. So employee has multiple value, right? So I am opening a curly braces and closing it. Inside that, I can provide something like employee has an ID. Okay, ID may be something, a number or string or whatever thing it is. Okay, then employee has a name, and the name may be like Tom. Okay, employee may have age, it can be a number. We need to provide comma between each and every property value pair. Okay, so this is a attribute and this is the value, this is another attribute, another value, another attribute, another value. Okay, so this is a way to create an object in JavaScript. Okay, now you can see the type of variable emp. I'm just logging it, console.log. To get the type, we can use type of function, type of emp. I'm saving it. Object, right? So emp is a type object. So if you want to access the value, we can do something like, if I want to print the employee name, console.log emp dot, we can access name, age, those properties. Okay, if I want name, I can use name. Okay, now how do we change the value? In order to change, we can use emp dot name equal to, I want to change it to Peter. Okay, now the name property of the employee gets changed to Peter. After that, let's see what is the value. Okay, run the program. So Tom was the value earlier and we changed to Peter, right? I hope you got some idea how to create an object and how to assign value to an object. I mean, how to change the value of an object and how to access the value of an object. Consider I want to display name of a employee. I can create a function. Okay, display is a property and value is function. So this is an anonymous function, okay, that get assigned to a property named display. This is similar to in the age property we have assigned 25, right? Similarly, display property we are assigning, or display attribute we are assigning a function. Okay, so inside this particular function we can do something like whatever the logic we want. Okay, I'm simply writing console.log name. Okay, I'm going to delete all these things. I'm simply trying to call emp dot display. So what will happen? Emp has a display property, right? And I am calling that particular function. Okay, if I invoke, if you do like this, we are invoking this particular function. Okay, now let's see the output. So actually the problem is that we got name not defined, right? Okay, so if the function want to access this particular property, name property, we need to use a keyword called this. This is a reference to the object. So display function get invoked on this particular object, right? So we need to get that particular object name. Okay, so this is a reference to the employee object, and employee object has a name property. This is similar concept like we have this keyword in C++ and Java, right? Now let's see the result. Save. Now we got the output, right? Tom. Okay, I'm adding couple of more property like basic salary, house rent allowance, now I want to compute total salary. I can have a function like total function. So we don't want any parameter. Okay, here we need to provide comma. Okay, now I want to, if you want to return something, return basic plus, so we have to use this dot basic salary plus this dot HRA, that is the computed total salary. Okay, now if I want to log, console.log emp dot total. So if I try, so you can see I simply print emp dot total. So what is the output here? Function total, right? So it is saying that this property is a type function, and the function name is total. Okay, so if you want to execute that particular thing, we can do like this. Okay, now it will execute the particular function. Now we got the total salary as the output, right? So this is the way we create an object. An object can have simple properties, an object can have primitive values, object can have value like an array, object can have a array value, object can have a function as a value. Okay, object can have another object as a value. Okay, it can be complex. Okay, I hope you got some idea. Thanks for watching this.